Mastering responsive design in Webflow ensures your website shines on every screen, from sprawling desktops to tiny mobile phones. Let's dive in. First, we'll focus on the widest screens. The desktop view. Design your layout here as you normally would think about your content, your sections, and how you want everything to arrange on a large display. Webflow's visual interface makes this intuitive. Now, for our first responsive adjustment, let's tackle the tablet breakpoint. You'll notice as you switch breakpoints that some elements might already be adapting. This is Webflow's magic at work. However, you'll likely need to refine the spacing, element sizes, or even reorder certain items to fit perfectly on a smaller screen. For instance, you might want to slightly decrease the padding on your sections, reduce the font size of a heading, or adjust the width of a column to prevent it from becoming too narrow. Simply click on the element and use the styling panel to make your changes. These adjustments will only affect this tablet breakpoint and wider. Next up, we'll move to the mobile landscape breakpoint again. Observe how the layout is automatically adjusting. We'll refine this further. Perhaps a two-column layout on desktop needs to stack into a single column here. Or you might want to increase the tab target size for buttons to make them easier for users to interact with. Remember, any changes you make here will not affect the desktop or tablet views. This empowers you to create unique and optimized experiences for each device. Finally, we arrive at the mobile portrait breakpoint, the smallest screen. This is crucial for mobile-first users here. You'll often stack elements vertically. Consider simplifying navigation, making text highly readable, and ensuring all interactive elements are easily tappable. Think about the absolute essentials and how they should appear when space is at a premium. Once you've made your adjustments across all breakpoints, it's vital to preview your work. Webflow's preview mode allows you to simulate how your website looks on a variety of devices, letting you catch any last-minute issues and ensure a truly seamless, responsive experience. By strategically adjusting your design at each breakpoint, you guarantee your website is not only visually appealing but also perfectly functional, no matter the device your visitor is using. Happy designing!